Hi, my name is Simone, and I'm pleased to introduce you to some of the great new features and system improvements you will find in the next release of P2, called P2v3. P2v3 gives you a much more integrated and intuitive user interface. One thing you'll notice is a measurable increase in performance. P2v3 eliminates the OP and OP3 components, leaving the system more efficient and easier to use. The architecture of P2v3 has been built around Primavera and its proven capabilities. With the removal of OP, projects will now be initiated in the web version of Primavera P6, or Web Primavera. I will show you today how the entire process has been simplified and streamlined. In P2v3, there is a new role called Initiator, which identifies those users who have permission to create new projects to their division, district, center, or laboratory. Another great feature of the new project initiation procedure is that the number of fields that are required to initiate a project has been greatly reduced. Now an initiator only has to enter what is necessary to create the project and generate a project work item, or PWI in CFUMS. This allows the acceptance of funds into the PWI in a matter of minutes. Let's go ahead and step through the process so you can see how quick and easy it is to initiate a project in P2v3. I have been designated as a project initiator, so after I log into Web Primavera, I can jump right over to the Project Initiation tab. When I select the project type and subtype, P2v3 will adjust to show me the data fields that are appropriate for this type of project. Now I only need to enter a few more key pieces of information, such as project name, description, project start date, EPS, EROC, and project manager. A project can be initiated with as few as 14 data fields. You can add other project-level data during initiation if it is available, or it can be entered later in the project maintenance screen. Anyone who has been assigned the new project configuration or PC security profile will be able to make the additional updates in project maintenance. We have entered the minimum required fields, so let's go ahead and click Create. The project ID and project number will be generated, and the data will be sent to CFUMS where a project work item is generated. The page will refresh and display all the project-level information that was entered. One thing you will notice when you return to project initiation is that the project cannot be accessed from here. This area is only for initiating new projects. Let me show you how to add additional information to an existing project through the Project Maintenance module. I click on Projects to enter my workspace and select the project I want to edit from the drop-down box. At the top of the page, the Project Maintenance screen is displayed. Because I have project configuration security rights to this project, I'm able to make additions and modifications. If I was not assigned as a PC to this project, I would only be able to view the data. As you can see, the project maintenance screen looks similar to what we just saw in project initiation. From here, we can add customer and stakeholder details in addition to adding more key members and project codes. Let's assign our customer. Click on the People button to easily search for the customer by beginning to type in the name. This will automatically narrow the results with each character you enter. Click Select to assign the customer. Click to assign the point of contact, and click to assign the customer to the project. On the project maintenance screen, we can view the point of contact details by hovering our mouse over their name. Every project requires a number of project codes. Project codes enable us to group it with other similar projects, facilitate development of the project management plan, to support upward reporting, and to maintain a valid historic record of the program. The green asterisk indicates the fields that are required for the selected project type and subtype. Let me show you the new way to update actuals in project maintenance. With P2v3, actual costs are retrieved nightly from CFUMS and stored outside of your project. Now you have the power to select when you are ready to transfer actual costs to your project. You can select to transfer actual costs to Primavera immediately, once on a specified date, or periodically on a schedule that you determine will meet your needs. When the project management plan has been approved and the certified project exists, you can obtain task work items from CFUMS and create budget lines in CFUMS using the Work Item Budget link. You can see that there is a checkbox preceding each of the WBS items and activities. If you select the checkbox next to a WBS item, all of the items below it will be included in the transfer. You may also select just a series of activities to be transferred to CFUMS. When you have completed your selection of WBS items and activities to be sent to CFUMS, Select the Submit link to save your selections to the database and execute the Work Item Budget interface. It has been a pleasure speaking to you today about some of the great project initiation and project maintenance features that you can find in the latest release of P2v3. Look out for more important information coming soon. Have a great day.